Want to get your brand on TV in Nigeria? Whether you're a small business, startup, or growing brand, TV can give your product massive visibility and credibility. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to place your brand on television, step by step, even if you've never done it before. And if you'd rather not handle the stress yourself, Blastily can manage the entire process for you, from script to screen. Let's get into it. Step 1. Define your goal. First, get clear on why you want to be on TV. Are you promoting a new product? Trying to build brand awareness? Or maybe you're running a campaign tied to a holiday or event? Your goal will guide your message, your budget, and the type of TV exposure you go for, whether it's a commercial, product placement, or interview. Step 2. Know your audience. Who are you trying to reach? Is it professionals in Lagos, families in Ibadan, or students in Enugu? Do they watch local stations, cable, or streaming? And what language connects best, English, Yoruba, Igbo, or Hausa? Knowing your audience helps you choose the right station, time slot, and tone. Step 3. Choose the right TV platform. There are several major options in Nigeria. Channels TV, great for business and news. NTA and AIT, national reach across cities and villages. Silverbird TV, popular with youth and entertainment lovers. Africa Magic on DSTV, perfect for lifestyle, fashion, and family brands. Regional stations like OGTV, Wazobia TV, and TVC, often more affordable and hyperlocal. Not sure where to start? Blastily helps you pick the best station for your audience and budget. Step 4. Pick the right ad format. TV exposure isn't just about 30-second ads. You can choose from pre-recorded commercials, live show sponsorships, product placements in talk shows or dramas, interview segments or infomercials. Each one has pros and cons. It depends on how visible you want to be and how interactive you want the audience to feel. Step 5. Write and produce your TV ad. Now it's time to bring your message to life. Keep your script simple, clear, and relatable. Start strong in the first few seconds. Use emotion, culture, or humor if it suits your brand. And don't forget a strong call to action, like visit us today, or call this number now. If you don't have a production team, Blastily can help you script, shoot, and edit your TV ad, end to end. Blastily will handle the entire booking process for you. Step 7. Monitor your results. After your ad airs, track performance. Are more people calling, visiting, or buying? Are new customers mentioning your ad? Did web traffic or social media engagement go up? Use promo codes, special phone numbers, or QR links in your ad to make tracking easier. Bonus tip: combine TV with digital. TV gives you wide reach, but combining it with Instagram or YouTube ads gives your campaign staying power. Now, let's talk numbers. Why does TV still matter in Nigeria? Over 57% of Nigerians watch TV weekly, according to Geopoll and Statista. Terrestrial TV still leads in rural areas, while DSTV and GeoTV dominate urban homes. The Nigerian advertising market is projected to hit 600 billion Nigerian nairas by 2026, and TV remains one of the top 3 media platforms for reach and recall. Studies show that TV ads generate up to 71% higher brand recall when paired with digital campaigns. That means if you're looking for visibility, trust, and long-term value, TV should be in your strategy. Let's recap. Define your goal. Understand your audience. Choose the right TV station. Pick your ad format. Create a compelling video. Book your airtime via Blastily. Track your results and improve. It's that simple. And if you want expert help every step of the way, head over to blastily.com. We'll help you get your brand on air and in front of the right audience. Thanks for listening. Your customers are watching, now's the time to show up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments.